Okay, a way of doing the homework. Here we are on interactmath.com. Okay, so interactmath.com. We enter. Now, I've already got it there, but you have to pick Martin Gay. Okay, this is the book we use. Martin Gay, Intermediate Algebra, 6th edition. Okay, there it is. Little pair on the front, and then submit. Right? Now, let me just close off. I was doing these earlier. Okay, so we start with chapter 2, but I will send you, I'll email you a list of questions I want you to do and all the sections as we go through it. Now, if you have a look at the syllabus, or if you've got the syllabus, I might still need to send it to you. If you're a Metro student, you open up chapter 2. Okay? Then you would click on section 2.6, because 2.6 is where we start, okay, in the Math 055. So I click on that, and notice I've already done one, all right? But if you actually go into this, so supposing I was going to do this particular question, because I'm sending you a list of the questions to do. You don't have to do them all. There's a lot there. So here we go. Supposing I do that. Okay. Right. I know that this is, I think it's A, but of course you'll be learning about that. Okay. So whatever you think, A, B, C, and D, multiple choice, whatever, and input and answer, whatever you have to do. All right. So here we go. Here's the question I'm doing. So remember, just make sure that you notice which question you're doing, because you don't have to do them all. You know, I might be able to go to the next one, okay, but that is not maybe what I'm actually doing. All right, so let's go back. So I think I said, let's change the question. It's that one there now, okay. So always check answer down here. Check answer. Great. Go on to the next question. You know, keep going on and on if you need to. You can always do a similar one if you've got it wrong. But go to the next question. Make sure it's on the list of questions we're doing. You can help me solve this. View an example. You can have a look at examples. It's a great way of learning. But then after you've think you've done them all right, or do as much as you can, go back to exercise list and notice there will be a load of little check marks of the ones you've done and got correct. There'll be little cross marks of the one you got wrong. Okay, but I can see from here the section you've done. I can see how long it took you, so it's all unique. Don't cheat, all right? And once you've done all those, okay, you know, just take a print screen of that. You know, just take a shot of that. If you want to take a picture with your camera, email me that, or print screen, put it on a Word document and just email it to me. I need to see proof of this, because if you shut off your browser, okay, and log it, you know, just get out of here and get out of interactmath.com, you're going to lose all this. This is not my math lab. You're not paying for this. It's just a free way of doing it. I need to see a record of this. Somebody's computer died on them today and they said, I lost it all. Well, you're going to have to do it all again, because I need to see what you've done. All right, it's not going to save it. So I need a shot of that. Okay, now after you've done, you know, you think you've done everything, you would go back to chapter list. Okay, you would then pick the next section, you know, and do all these questions. Again, I'll send you a list of the questions I want you to do. Back to chapter list, okay? So, you know, I just need to see screenshots of, again, I'll go in again, of that, okay? That's what I need to see. And email it to me. Okay.